Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another new 1.2.1 14 billion parameters model that allows you to do text to video, image to video, but also video to video. So today I will try to show you how you can download and install the necessary notes and model, and we will try to make it work for low PC graphic card using my workflow. So I will try to guide you step by step and show you how you can use this new model. So without further ado, let's dive into tutorial. Okay, as we saw on previous tutorial, 1.2.1 models are practically the best model for video generation. It allows you to do text to video and also image to video. Now with this new 1.2.1 VACE model, you can take it to the next level. If you go to this Comfy website, you can see the information about VACE model, which is an open source unified video editing model that can support high resolution processing and flexible multi-model input, which will allow you to do the video to video generation, but also the image to video generation. It also allows you to do motion transfer, generating coherent action based on a reference video, since most of models have this lack of motion transfer and cannot successfully generate motion video. So this model seems the best for this type of animation. We can also replace specific areas in video through mask, but we will not focus on that on this tutorial. So currently VACE has released two versions, the 1.3 billion parameters and the 14 billion parameters. And if you take a closer look here, you can see the difference between them. The second version allows you to create a video at 720p resolution, but at this resolution too. However, the 1.3 billion parameter resolution can only allows you to do low resolution video. So before we proceed, let me show you how you can download all the necessary model for you in order to make it work. Okay, first we're gonna try to download the main model. And since I have a low VRAM graphic card, I'm gonna use the GGUF version. Those versions are the quantized version of the original model. So it will use less VRAM and it will give you significant speed boost. So for my case, I download this Q4 version. For if you have a higher VRAM, you can try to download higher video model. But if you have lower VRAM than 6 GB, you can try to use Q3 version. Then I also download, I use this second link here to download this cause video text video LoRa, as you can see it here. There are other versions that are available, but you can try to use one of them. It will also allow you to gain significant boost in video generation. And according to my test, it allows you to speed up your video generation by a factor of 2 times. You will also need the text input and the VAE, the one VAE, in order to decode your video, but also for prompt adherence and understanding. So all you have to do is use my workflow here, just drag and drop, and you can find all the necessary link here, starting with the VAE and the text encode. All you have to do is select this link, copy it, then go to your navigator, just paste the link, it will start downloading automatically. Once you have all the necessary model, make sure to put the LoRa into the LoRa section on your ComfyUI root folder. The GGUF version of the main model goes to unit folder, the VAE goes to the VAE folder, and the text encode goes to the clip folder. Okay, after that, make sure to update your ComfyUI, and also if you don't have the GGUF loader, go to ComfyUI manager, custom node, and here you can type in on the search bar GGUF. As you can see, it is already installed, so if you don't have it, make sure to install it. Now restart your ComfyUI and you are good to use this workflow. Now I will try to explain you my workflow. So to start with, we have as always different main group, starting with models and VAE. And here make sure to select your all the downloaded model, starting with GGUF loader, the VAE, the one LoRa. Also make sure to decrease the strength to 0.5 as it is selected here. The same goes for the clip loader, and also I have the upscaler model that I add here, since we can upscale our final results once we are satisfied. The main advantage using this one VACE model is it allows you to do motion transfer more easily than ever. All you have to do for that is to upload your image and upload your video. First, the workflow is gonna try to treat the video, where we're gonna use a Kani Edge or another controlnet preprocessors, but the Kani give me the best results. So I strongly suggest you to use the Kani in order to create the necessary data for motion transfer from your reference video. After that, this data is gonna be transferred here into this one face to video nodes, which is a new added node here before our sampler. And as you can see, we have the control video. We can also do a control mask and the reference image. We have here the positive and the negative prompt for our video, but we will talk about that later. So we have the reference image is this one, and the control video is the video created using the Kani Edge preprocessors. Once we have all those data, the Wan VACE to video is gonna try to transfer everything to the key sampler, and we will generate video. As you can see here, we have this video, which is generated by combining this reference video and also reference image here. However, as you can see, we have a low resolution video, but also low frame rate, since this model can generate at 13 fps. So to fix that, I add the frame interpolation using a Rive model in order to add more frames. And here we have our upscaling video to video, which will give you the best results at the end. We also have here onto Wan VACE to video the width and height and length of our video. So to make it more easily to use, I added those nodes here, which will allow you to choose the right resolution for your video. For my tests, using this the RTX 3060 6GB VRAM graphic card video, I worked with this resolution, but also I tried to lower to this resolution. It gave me the same results, which was not the case using other video models like LTX or Hanyuan. I always run out of VRAM. However, with this new one model, it succeeded to generate videos at this resolution. I also have the link here where you can try to increase it according to your needs. If you when you select this value, it will generate practically the 3 seconds of video. So in order for you to generate a longer video, make sure to double your value. And finally, we have the upscaling factor, which will allow you to upscale our video at the end of this frame interpolation process. And all of this is possible using the input image here, the reference video, but also we have the prompt. As always, I am using a Florence to run for auto prompt generation. Make sure that is selected to more detailed caption, and I am fixing the seed here. I also add the strings function in order to add some details which will be related to the reference video. For example, here you can see that I am adding a holding a camera then take a picture, which describe the movement of this video. Then all I have to do is click Q prompt and it will start generating the video. Now let's talk about some important parameters in order for you to generate your video with consistent results and optimize generation time. First, we will start with the strength over here. As default, you will find out this value equal to 1. However, I found out that decreasing the strength can give you better results. If, for example, I am using this resolution over here, the strength value between 0.85 and 1 is the best for you. However, if I am lowering the resolution to this resolution, I found out that working with strength value of 0.65 and 0.8 give me the best results. You can also notice here that we have a lower CFG value and also a lower steps, which is related to the usage of this cause video LoRa, which will allow us to generate our video with the motion transfer in low steps. As you can see, I am using 6 steps. You can also try to increase it to 8 or 7, but this one give me the optimal results. The same goes for the CFG. If, for example, we disable this LoRa, you will not be able to generate video using those parameters, as the simpler name is set to UniPC and the scheduler is set to normal. So once you are satisfied with the first result, you can go ahead and use the frame interpolation and the upscaling process in order to get the best results for your video. You can also try to disable the load control video in order for you to use text to video. All you have to do is disabling the image pre-processing and the load control video. And the best way to do that is using the fast bypasser. Here you have all the necessary buttons that are related to our main groups. All I have to do is disable load control video and image pre-processing. This way we will try to generate a video based only on text prompt. You can also leave the load image as it is, since it will help you to use the auto prompt generation for your video. Other way, you can also disable this auto prompt generation and try to use directly this clip text in order to type in your prompt. Okay, now let's focus on the results. As you can see, I try to generate my video using this resolution and the result is pretty consistent. Not for all the images, however, for some images like this one, it is very impressive. Then I try to increase the resolution to 720p, and as you can see, we also have good results. The camera, the movement are transferred very easily, and the style of the video also changed with impressive results. However, in some cases, we noticed that the camera can't be generated easily since it is not included in the first image, and the hands doesn't always look so good as it is for this Chinese lady. However, in all overall, the quality of the generated video and the motion transfer are very impressive and very convenient. So I will strongly suggest you to use this model for your video generation using motion transfer. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video, please push the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch my other video tutorial. You can also become a member of my Patreon page, and you will find out exclusive content, but also you will get early access to my custom workflow. So thank you.